Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는.
Good morning, guys. Today we came to the New York Botanical Garden located in the Bronx. It opened in 1891 and apparently spans about 250 acres. I had this idea that you couldn't see cherry blossoms in the US, but in New York, when spring comes, cherry blossoms are blooming everywhere.
아직도 난 여기 애릿하게 더 의미하겠나 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 너의 흔적.
We're now seeing the LuEsther T Mertz Library. It's one of the world's leading botanical libraries, and it's open to both researchers and the general public. In this garden, there are trees that have lived for hundreds of years, witnessing the long history since the times when New York City was still untouched nature. In New York City, the Somei Yoshino cherry trees are particularly common. When spring arrives, they bloom beautiful flowers ranging from white to light pink. In the city's parks and gardens, these Somei Yoshino trees are often planted prominently, becoming a symbolic sight that heralds the arrival of spring. Many times bigger than a pine cone from Japan. We stopped by a facility in the garden where you can experience planting. Worms seem to play an important role in natural and organic farming because they improve the health and fertility of the soil. Today, we were able to spend a leisurely day at the New York Botanical Garden. The cherry blossoms blooming with the breath of spring, the ancient trees that evoke history, and the plant experiences while touching nature provided a time that enriched our hearts away from the hustle and bustle of the city.